When you use your piezo in the anteriors, I would recommend treating them like you're going to use a hand instrument. So cut your tooth in half. You're going to start at the mesial or the straight facial. You're going to roll in to do the surfaces away if you're right-handed, opposite if you're left. And then you're going to switch your chair position. I want you to sit at 9 when you're going to do the surfaces towards. And that will ensure that you can roll and adapt a little bit better. You can really get that tip, the side of the tip in there. Because if you're sitting in the wrong position and you start to roll, a lot of times that face gets on the tooth, and the face does not do anything when it comes to a piezo. So treat your piezo insert or your handpiece like a hand instrument. Sit in your correct positioning so you can roll and adapt and keep that lateral side on the tooth.